Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the stamp set Rooted in Nature. Now this stamp set is large. It comes actually normally in 2 jewel cases, but I cram them all into one just for space. All right, I have my layered leaves textured embossing folder that is dynamic, meaning I only need one acrylic plate to run it through the Big Shot, and yet I'm going to get this beautiful textured. It's stunning. I love this embossing folder. All right, so I took this little strip of paper from when I cut cardstock down, and I stamped my greeting, and that was in Tranquil Tide. And now I'm inking up my red rubber stamp here, the tree, with my daubers. If you have a couple of daubers on hand, it is actually really nice to be able to get a two-tone tree or a two-toned anything really. So I used Call Me Clover and Tranquil Tide for this tree. Now this stamp set actually comes as a bundle, and you can actually get the dies with it, but somebody didn't get the die. Somebody thought that they could cut around the tree just fine and they didn't need the die. And then the more I played with this set, the more I shake my head and go, why didn't I just get the die? Because it would have been so much simpler. All right, so I think the last of my fast fuse is pretty much used up. So now I have to use Tombow. And do you see that, what I just did there? Tried to make it even, and then I had to pull it back up. Wouldn't have been able to do that with a dry adhesive. So I'm super happy that I was using Tombow at that point, because I was able to pick it up and move it around. That's the nice thing about a wet glue. It gives you a few seconds before it actually sets. So if you're quick enough, you can pull your paper or your whatever up and it's not hurting anything. All right, so I have some linen thread here, wrapped it around my fingers a couple of times. Now I'm taking the Take Your Pick tool, which is new from the holiday catalog. If there's one thing that I want you all to buy as soon as that catalog comes out, is that Pick Your Tool tool. It's really cool. All right, so I put a little glue dot there, and then I adhered my linen thread. And then I just cut the banner, and I'm fussing with the linen thread a little bit because, you know, I'm a hairdresser. Every little bit has to be in proper place and in nice order. I think that this could be for masculine, or it definitely has sort of a woodsy feel to it, obviously because of the tree, right? And the leaves and the twine, the natural twine. So once I put this little tree down here, I think it looks good right there. I'm going to add my sequins. And these are the iridescent sequins mix from Stampin' Up in the Animal Catalog. And I'm just going to pick out the green ones because I'm going with a green motif here. So this is the beauty of this Pick Your Tool tool. The thing is, it has a couple different ends. Like this pokey tool also has a spatula on the inside, and then there's a stylus tool. It's actually quite useful. And the best part about it is it has this glue tippy end that you can pick your sequins up and place them. Anyway, that's my card for today. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you again soon. Bye! Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.